Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 141 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, when I take part in the discussion, first of all, I wish to point out that the Sarkaria Commission was not given a free hand to examine the developments which had taken place in the last 40 years in India. The main important point is the terms of reference. By the terms of reference, certain parameters had been fixed. Within those parameters, the Sarkaria Commission has submitted its report. There are more than 200 recommendations. Due to lack of time, it is not possible to deal largely with all these recommendations. But at the same time, the Commission has tried to find out the past history of India. The Commission has said that too much centralization was objected to from the Mauryan period to the Mughal period. The Commission has stated the fact. Similarly, under the British rule, also centralization was actually objected to by the people, by the states. The founding fathers of our constitution were painfully conscious that the feeling of Indian nationhood was still in the making and required to be carefully nurtured. They therefore built a constitutional structure with a powerful central government envisaging the emergence of an indivisible and integrated India. The concept of a strong center, which is necessary to meet India's immediate needs, was virtually in the later period converted into the concept of a unitary state with priority for the center in all cases. This was the basis of the process of excessive centralism, with all powers in the hands of the center. India is developing on the path of capitalism, especially monopoly capitalism. When monopoly capitalism develops in a country, it is then natural that the general argument will be for centralization of the powers in the hands of the central government because they want to protect the interests of the monopoly capitalists and also help the capitalists. So, that is the natural argument. This argument has been there for the last so many years, but over centralization has taken place, and we know that it has taken place. What is the result now? Many are talking about the unity of the country, about the integrity of the country. But what has happened in the states? Communal forces have grown, divisive forces have grown, and the integrity of the country has been jeopardized. When the powers were vested in the hands of the center, why has the center failed?